Hello everyone. We learned all about our sine rules and cos rules. Now we're going to look at a problem-solving question. So the diagram shows the locations of 4 mobile phone masts in a field. So we're told that BC is equals to 75. So this length BC is 75. Then CD is 80. Angle BCD is 55 and angle ADC is 140. So in order that the masts do not interfere with each other, they must be at least 70 meters apart. Given that A is minimum distance from B, so we thought that A to D is the minimum distance and the minimum distance is 70. So this length here is 70 meters. Then the question wants us to find part A. Find the distance A is from B. So we want to find out the distance from A to B. So the key is that so sine rule and cosine rule is all about using triangles. So I'm going to split the diagram into 2 triangles to help us to work out. So, in order to work out this length here, we could use our cosine rule. But our cosine rule needs us to have this side here, this length, and this length here, which we don't know. So let's call this x. So we need, and this angle here, only part of this angle here, to find out this missing side. So we need to have those informations, but how can we find those information? Firstly, we can find out our x by using our cosine rule, because we have a side, 2 sides, and an angle in between. So we can use our cosine rule to find out the missing x. So part 1, so let's use our cosine rule. So we have a squared is equals to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. So a squared is equals to 75 squared plus 80 squared minus 2 multiplied by 75 times by 80 times by cos 55. So this is just typing into your calculator, then square root your answer. So you should get A is equals to 71.708. So we know our x is equals to 71.708. Now we want to find out this missing length. We can do this by finding out this angle here first. So we can find this angle by using our sine rule, because I know, so let's call this angle A. So let's call this angle Y. Stop the confusing. So I know this is my side, and I have angle here and opposite, so I can use my sine rule. So step 2, use your sine rule to help you to find this angle Y. So let's do this. So sine Y over 75 is equals to sine 55 over 71.708. So we can just rearrange our equations to get y is equals to, so multiply by 75 on both sides. So 75 sine 55 over 71.708. So y is equals to sine minus 1, your answer. And if you type into your calculator, you should have the solution. This angle is equals to 58.954. Hence, as we know, this is 140, so we can find out this angle here. So step 3, we're just going to use 140, subtract y, which is 140 minus 58.954, and this is equals to 81.045. So we know this angle here is 81.045. And now we can find out the distance from A to B using our cosine rule. We got all information, so two sides and the angle in between. So this is our step 4. So we have so again using our cosine rule, so a squared equals to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. So this is our missing side and this is our angle. So I have a squared is equals to 70 squared plus 71.708 squared minus 70 multiplied by 71.708 multiplied by cos 81.05045. Then just type into our calculator. You can find out your answer for A. So the length for AB is 92.1 meters to 3SF. Right, this is minus 2 multiplied by 70. So just double check your answers. Just make sure you copy down the formula. So you have 70 squared plus 71.708. So b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. So let's look at part B. So in part B, we want to find angle BAD. So angle BAD. So this is this angle here. So BAD. So this is the angle we want to find. So to do this, we already know this angle here and this side here, and we know this side here and want to find this side here, so we can use our sine rule. So for part B, using our sine rule, so sine A over 71.708 is equals to sine 81.045 divided by this length we're not sure, divided by this length which we just found from part A, 92.1. Then now just rearrange to find out our angle A. So A is equals to sine minus 1. So multiply 71 on both sides. So 71.708 sine 81.045 over 92.1. So just type it into your calculator. So and you can find your angle should equals to 50.3 3 to 3SF. Then the last part, the question wants you to find the area enclosed by the format. So part C requires us to using our formula to find out the area of triangle. So area of triangle is half AB sine C. So we have split the diagram into two triangles. So let's find out the area of triangle 1. So using our half AB sine C. So we have area is equals to half. So the first length is 78. Length B is 71.708. Sin C, so sin C is angle in between, which is 81.045. Type the solution into your calculator. Should get the area is 2,479. Then find the area for part B, the second triangle. So again, using our formula, so this is your triangle 1, triangle 2, you have half multiplied by 80, multiplied by 75, multiplied by, so angle in between, which is sine 55, and this is equals to 2,457. And the last part, we want to find the total area, just add them together. So the total area equals 2479 plus 2457, which is equals to 4936.